can check if the device profile we want to use, which will be the ISM D400, is reachable. For this, once again, we can use this command I will show you. We have here the function device profile list, where we provide an integer for the list object we want to get. We want the object with the integer number 4. And with this we get the device profile data back, which we can see here. It is indeed the ISM 2400. The URL is the place where the JSON file is to find. In this JSON file we provide how specifically the sensor can use data. This is the profile which tells which data fields we will use in this case. With this said, I would now can check the price of our PID, which will be this command. I also will show it to you soon. Yeah, here we see the price. For sure with E18 nomination. With this done, I'm now able to call the PID. For this I have to change the email address first, and then I get the comment. The parameter which we are providing is for the email address. The second one is how many PIDs we want to purchase, and the second integer is the device profile for which we want to purchase the PID. Like I said, so the smart contract is able to know with which sensor profile it's interacting. When this kind of transaction went through, we should get a new email in which we then get our PID. I copy the next two comments into the Excel file, so I don't have to switch that often for the next two steps, because the next step again will be to provide the PID via PuTTY onto the sensor. Okay, here we have it. So we open these. Here you can see the two comments which we will use to set the PID onto the sensor. At first we have to provide the PID into the first comment. This comment we then will use inside PuTTY, like I said. Here we get an OK. After this we will reboot the sensor. And with this done, we should be able to now mint our sensor.